I'm Silvana Clark. My husband Allan and I are driving through the province of British Columbia, Canada. And sometimes when you think about camping, you see pictures of big tall trees and beautiful landscapes. That's where we are right now. We're in Manning Provincial Park. And if you look around, you can see this is what camping seems like it always should be. Tall trees, blue skies. There's a creek down below. We have some birds that seem very tame around here. They're not scared of us. And you can also see, as Allan pans around, there's lots and lots of space. Now we got here early, so there's no other people around, but there's a camp spot across the way. So even if there was someone here, you wouldn't see them that much. And that's what a lot of people picture camping to be. So if you like to be outdoors, find a provincial or a national park, and you can have the outdoors with big trees and blue skies.
Well, this is a basic campground. We're going to show you a couple different kinds, but this is a basic campground, and you notice there's only 12 spots here. So it's not very big, and they don't offer 50 amp. They offer 30 amp, 110 amp, and they also offer water, and that's it. There's no sewer connection, but they do have a dump over here. So this is really a basic one, not a lot of things for kids to do. It's a very simple, over here you'll see a very simple washroom, but we do have a nice river, and it was very convenient right off the road, right off the 3. So this is your basic. It was very functional for us, and we're close to a town, so we're going to take a bike ride.
So we want to show you a different type of RV campground. In provincial parks, there isn't a registration desk, whereas in some places you can see you have a large lobby like this. We have a lovely woman at the front desk who's going to wave to us. And if you look over here, in addition to all sorts of brochures, Tim Hortons donuts. So there you go. You can, even when you register, you get donuts. A lot of these places will have clubhouses. Here's a very clean place where you can do your laundry. And you have a whole room like this. We have a couple happy campers over there that are going to wave also. So there's reading books. There's a sink here if you need it for some other things. And if you want to get together with some friends, they have a table here. So you can see what a lovely indoor facility is available at some of the campgrounds.
So Silvana told you and showed you the inside there of the registration office. Here is right by the site. And with these, it's more standardized RV park. You have some long-term folks and short-term like us who are just spending one night. But you have your cable, your water, your sewer, and your electricity all in one spot. So it makes it kind of easy, and you can really stay as long as you want that way. Okay, it's late September, and it's almost fall. If you look over here, it's a swimming pool, but they have it covered. And so that's it for the year. But they have a nice changing room. Some have gigantic pools, multiple pools. This is just one example here of a pool that they offer to their campers.
I wish I had a golf club so I could show you how good I am at miniature golf. This is another little amenity that some of the larger campgrounds have. It's a basic miniature golf course, just something extra if you need some time to do something fun. They have it available at the larger parks. Hopefully that's given you an overview of the 3 main types of campgrounds. There's provincial parks, there's smaller, usually family-run campgrounds, and then the larger, privately owned, more developed campgrounds. And now it's just up to you to pick the one that you like best and go enjoy your time camping.